Well, today we're here for the Onbikes bike build for their annual Christmas drive. It's such a great event. Brings in so many different people from the community to get together and do such a good thing for everybody. They're getting these bikes together for Christmas, and then what they will do is they'll donate these bikes to various groups. And one of the big benefactors is the Tampa Police Department. Our bike squad will then have different bike rodeos and bike safety campaigns, and we will give these bikes to kids in need. And it's a great builder for the community, and it bridges the gap between law enforcement and the people in need in our community. And so we're very thankful for everything that the Onbikes group does.
They are going to put together 900 bicycles for community members. We have members of the City of Tampa team from all departments out here putting bikes together, as well as businesses and private citizens from all over the community. They're building bikes to give away as a form of transportation to a lot of our citizens. More importantly, they're building a lot of kids' bikes. So when they wake up Christmas morning, they're going to see that shiny bike under the tree. So what a great experience. And this just underscores what is so wonderful about the city of Tampa. Everybody coming together when there is a need. And this need is to fulfill the wishes of young kids on Christmas morning.